Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to install OBS Studio. First, you have to download OBS Studio installer from obsproject.com. After download completed, open OBS Studio installer, then click Yes. Now click Next to continue. Click Next again. Now select the destination folder, where C drive is selected by default. You can change by clicking Browse. Now click Install. It will take some time. Now you can see there is completed setup notification. You can mark the launch OBS Studio or unmark it. Then click Finish. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.